Alrighty, hello everybody. Today we're going through some unknown Bellinger style car wash machine. I have no idea what this machine is, no idea what brand it is. I don't know anything about it. I do know it replaced a New Star touch-free system, which was kind of rare. And now it's this unknown system, which I know nothing about. Sign up there says pre-soak. Hi, Alex.
Hello.
I have a theory. I bet you this machine's from Temu.
Wash your car like a billionaire.
I know, right? Because I hear a Chinese accent from when it says things.
Dude, your theory just flushed in too many jokes I could make.
Half the sprayers don't even work on the driver's side. Look at that. Yes, single color foam and some water. Getting okay coverage. Oh, it's coming back the other way. Normally these machines only go one way, and that's that. So, that's pretty good, actually. right. And again, I have no idea what that machine is. That's at the Gulf gas station here at Topanga Canyon and Saticoy. So, with all that being said, thank you very much for watching. That'll be all.